The confluence, where the words I and you become useless.
भूख लगी खा लेना.
It was I was really feeling very like empty and hollow inside.
खाना खा लेना. रोना आए रो लेना.
Simon was extremely powerful man.
दोनों घर साथ आए रोते रोते खा लेना.
Another poem is dedicated to my God. So, I look for you in the morning sun, little beings awakening the things that are.
I hope that one day bullying will stop and I am an inquirer and confident.
So I'm gonna be just myself, live my life the jolly way, no matter what may come, gonna cherish it every day, anywhere. Thank you.
But I think you spoke from your experience and you've written, and very standout ones were also there. And I think this should happen more frequently.
You have friends here, but they are not the friendship kind. Ask me, I know all too well, because I am the crowd. We believe that even in the days to come, Wildflower Production will be producing, so many.
Since the very onset of the Wildflower production, we actually started with a poetry, poetry video, which is called the Vivid Project. It was a poetry, poetry video film. It's a series of a lot of poets in it. So, and then in process of doing that, we kept on having a lot of poetry meeting a lot of new poets and stuff like that. And then it became like something that keeps you going every time. So so that like this inspired us. So every time, so this is as an anniversary celebrating the whole content and poetry in us. That is, I think, the whole deal with the poetry event.
Today I had a very warm experience and the program titled For the Soul. Today we had a lovely day, lovely weather in Itanagar, and to come together in this way and feature poets sharing their poems and even young writers and poets sharing their works, it creates such a warm atmosphere. And poetry is one of the place where we don't judge people, we don't judge how they feel or how they express themselves. So me being a poet, it is the kind of environment I love to be in. So today I had a very warm experience and the program titled For the Soul. Today we had a lovely day, lovely weather in Itanagar, and to come together in this way and feature poets sharing their poems and even young writers and poets sharing their works, it creates such a warm atmosphere. And poetry is one of the place where we don't judge people, we don't judge how they feel or how they express themselves. So me being a poet, it is the kind of environment I love to be in.
So ma'am, your book The Bohemian Man, right? So the writing that you came up with was very fresh.
Thank you.
People, they talk about the previous poets were there, they used to talk about nature, the river, the mountains, but your poem, it sort of brought a new fresh perspective. Like, let's talk about love. We're done with river and it's there. So what would be your message to the readers who are out there who want to venture into new writing, but then sort of they feel ki nahi, thoda rukna chahiye, because I feel like I don't have audience out there. So what would be your message to those writers?
First of all, thank you. For me, poetry personally, I'm a bit of a romantic at heart, and I express that romance and love through my poems. If I write fiction, I mostly write about magical realism or maybe about nature or magic. But when it comes to poetry, I cannot write nature or activist type poem. Feminist also, it doesn't work for me. So poetry, I find solace in poetry, in love. And for your next question, for the young writers or anyone who's planning to venture into either poetry or fiction, I would advise that read a lot, keep writing, and if you don't write every day, you are not a writer.
Thematically, my poems are about identity crisis. Even my debut novel also is related to this particular theme, and I don't know how I came about it, but I also started the way these youngsters started. I also talked about college romance and other things, but now literature is a serious business, so I thought I should speak up, at least through my works, the issues that our community face and the society that I live in. It should be reflected through my stories, and I wanted to tell these kind of stories actually.
My name is Juno.
Okay, so how was your experience today?
It was a really great experience because we poets don't have this much opportunity to have a platform, especially in Itanagar, and they are the only ones that do, so it's always a great experience.
So we've noticed that you came, it was a very impromptu decision, okay, I have to go and say the poetry. What inspired you?
Actually, whenever there is a poetry meet by them, I always used to go. But this time what happened was something happened and I couldn't submit my form in a given time. So I thought, hey, my poem is half baked. So I thought, why not give it a chance, and not many people are there. As the host said that no one will flop you.
Hi, my name is Rubu Kappa.
Okay, so how was your experience today?
It was a beautiful experience, and like I said earlier, I've been coming here for 3 years now. So it has definitely been a good experience, right?
So can you tell us more about the poem that you wrote today?
Okay. The first poem that I said was Sitting, Waiting, Dying. It's actually my struggles with, as I said earlier, I've been diagnosed with schizophrenia.
Okay.
So when I went to the doctor for the first time alone, so I was definitely feeling much anxiety because no one was there with me. So it was about that, my struggle with anxiety, going to the doctor for the first time.